Tonight, bands are coming together to raise money to fight hunger at Cleveland's annual Blizzard Bash. For the 17th year, Carroll University students in the on-campus radio station WJCU are hosting charity concert series. All the money raised from the concert will go to the Hunger Network. The founder of the event said that he started this event with hopes that every year bands would come together to contribute to the community.
The reason why it means a lot to me personally is because I think that being a musician is one thing, playing music is one thing, but when you can put all that together for a greater cause to help your community that you live in, that's what matters most.
Now, the goal was to surpass $3,000 before the doors even opened. They raised close to $4,000 before the event started.